Hey TechKnowSurge! In our last module, we got into OSPF and started configuring it across our network. It's really cool because now we can start communicating from end to end. So that's awesome. However, OSPF is a very large protocol. There's a lot to it. There's a lot of features and there's a lot of things that we can implement. So in this module, we're gonna start taking OSPF and talking about some additional settings and different ways that we can configure OSPF. So let's jump into OSPF settings. We're gonna kick this module off getting into OSPF packets, what they look like. We're gonna talk about the OSPF Hello Timers, and then also we're gonna learn how to configure the hello and dead interval counters, and then those timers. Then we'll get into OSPF Cost and how OSPF uses cost to figure out what the best route is to a network. Then we'll talk about changing OSPF costs because a lot of this is actually based off of old technology and we advanced and it's caused a little bit of a problem. And so there is something that we're gonna wanna change with OSPF so it can make better decisions on what the best route is to a network. Then we'll get into load balancing and what load balancing looks like with OSPF. And then we'll talk about the LSA overload protection. And we'll wrap things up talking about OSPF areas and how OSPF can create different areas so we can better control OSPF.